Squatting, a contentious issue that raises questions about the legal protections afforded to those who occupy unused or abandoned buildings. But why do squatters have rights? Let's explore this complex topic together. First, let's define what squatter rights are. Squatter rights refer to the legal protections given to individuals who occupy unused or abandoned buildings without the owner's permission. These protections vary from country to country, but they offer a level of security to squatters who would otherwise face eviction or prosecution. It is important to note that these legal protections do not make squatting itself legal. Instead, they provide a degree of safeguard to squatters under specific circumstances. For example, in some countries, a squatter must occupy a property for a certain period of time without any action from the owner before they can claim legal protection. How do squatters gain legal rights? The process varies depending on the laws and regulations of the country. In many cases, squatters can gain legal protection through a process known as adverse possession. This principle states that if someone occupies a property for a certain period without any action from the owner, they may gain legal ownership of the property. Take England as an example. If someone occupies a property for 10 years without any eviction efforts from the owner, they may be able to claim legal ownership through adverse possession. Similar laws exist in other countries, including the United States, Canada, and Australia. Keep in mind, however, that adverse possession is a complex legal process, and squatters should seek legal advice before attempting to make a claim. There are often strict criteria that must be met for adverse possession to take effect. Now, let's delve into the controversy surrounding squatter rights. Critics argue that squatters take advantage of property owners and should be punished for their actions. They claim that squatters decrease the value of surrounding properties and create safety concerns in the neighborhoods they occupy. On the other hand, there are counter-arguments to consider. Some argue that squatters often occupy unused or derelict buildings that would otherwise remain abandoned. By occupying these buildings, squatters can prevent further deterioration and contribute positively to the community. Additionally, it is worth noting that squatters often choose to occupy properties left vacant due to financial difficulties or excessive bureaucracy. They draw attention to the issues that led to these properties being unused and may push for change to be made. The debate around squatter rights is complex and lacks a straightforward solution. What is clear, however, is that squatter rights have been recognized in many countries. It is important for property owners to be aware of the risks associated with leaving properties unused or vacant.